Gicunjĩ kĩa arimũ arĩa mathomithagia gĩkĩro-inĩ kĩa junior secondary Bururini nĩ matabanĩtie mĩrũrũngano ya thayũ kauntini cia Kisumu, Nakuru, Taita Taveta, Vihiga na Nyamira, kũrĩa morĩtie thirikari kũmandĩka wĩra ithenya-inĩ rĩa kũruta wĩra ta interns.
Moguls power. Moguls must be respected. Moguls must be respected. Moguls must be respected in all ways. Yes. Now, here, I'm Eric Otieno, the current chair of JSS Kisumu County Teachers.
Correct.
And here, we are here to present our petition in full force. Yes. It is high time that our grievances must be heard. Our grievances must be addressed.
Information of interns.
You must respect a degree holder. Giving our JSS teachers 17,000 as an intern, that is an injustice even to God. That cannot even sustain anything. Even the mere state of survival, it cannot sustain that. So our petition that we are having here, all our interns must be confirmed with immediate effect. And we will not stop to call for that. We will every day until that day that TSC must. And here are also some other demands that we are having. Compensation of JSS teachers interns from the period they have worked as per the Employment and Labor Relations Code that was given on 17th of April 2024. Yes. JSS internship is illegal as pronounced by the court, yes, and must be converted into permanent and pensionable terms, yes, by the employer, who is TSC. Yes. We must stop TSC from any further engagements of qualified and licensed teachers as interns. Yes. That is illegal. Yes. In bold, that is...
Kumana na TSC kwaga gwathĩkĩra itua rĩa igoti rĩrĩa rĩatuirwo nĩ Justice Byram Ongaya tarĩki 17 wa kana rĩa arutani a Kwandiko na Kuriho njoherera nĩguo gũtũmĩte arutani a kũrũgana na kũria TSC yathĩkĩre watho ũyũ.
To the TSC Teacher Service Commission this morning is very clear that intern teachers are not going back to school if they will not be confirmed to permanent and pensionable terms as the court ruled. The teachers should also be compensated for the period they have served as intern teachers.
Kiama gĩa KUPPET nĩ kĩũrĩtie thirikari kwandĩka interns 86,000 kũringana na watho. Munini wa mwandĩki mũkaru wa KUPPET Moses Nturima augĩte kumana na itua rĩa igoti kũrũgamia mũbango ũyũ, interns matigĩtwo matarĩ na wĩki. Ngĩribotera Mũthingi TV, njĩtagwo Wangũi wa Mũriũki.